Hi! In this tutorial we will learn how to change the scale of an image and the canvas in the AliveColors editor. To modify an image size, select the corresponding option in the image menu. Here we can see the current size in various units as well as the file size. The resolution parameter sets the pixel density of the image. When the Scale Layer Effects checkbox is enabled, all effects will also scale along with the image. Constrain Proportions ensures that the proportions of the image remain unchanged. Image resampling allows you to adjust the dimensions and resolution independently, changing the total number of pixels. When the checkbox is enabled, you can select a resampling algorithm. They range from fast but less accurate to slow but more precise methods. If resampling isn't enough, you can use the image enlargement tool. Here you simply need to set the desired size, and the AI will handle the rest. Besides the image, we can also modify the canvas. This is our working area. To do this, go to Image, Canvas Size. Here we can either set new canvas dimensions or increase the size by a specific value by enabling the relative checkbox. The position of the image on the canvas is adjusted using the arrows. Added canvas areas can be colored by enabling the Colored Background checkbox. If left unchecked, new areas will be transparent. If you reduce the canvas size, the edges of the image will be cropped. And that's about it. Thanks for choosing AliveColors.